we're going to be making salt dough today. So we're going to make some little ornaments with the dough to use as decorations, aren't we? For the cubby house. We're going to make some salt dough decorations for the cubby house. So, yeah, you can do it. Decorations for your bedroom. Christmas tree. Yeah, Christmas tree. Oh, we've got a bit of time on our hands. Alright, so let's get started. So before we get started with making the dough, we're going to preheat our oven to 120 and the plain flour in together. So mix it all the way around, and once it's all mixed in, you create a well-like dam. We're going to gradually put the oil and the water in the well. So gradually put it into the middle of the thing, Plenty. Once you've kneaded it for a couple of minutes, roll it out to about 7 mil, so half a centimetre. Ready to press the decorations in. If you get some like non-grease baking paper, you won't need to spray it or anything like that. We've put our holes in the top of them all. Stella's working on a little bowl. We're going to see how that turns out. Lay them flat, so the kids have wonderfully done this one. And then we're going to put them in the oven for 2.5 hours to bake. 2.5 hours? Yeah. So let's see how it goes. Cleaning up, some of the dough. We don't recommend it, but it won't kill you if you try it. So there you go, Flinny, have a try, mate. Take a big bite. What do you think? Sweet? I don't know about that. Salt dough for dinner? Harry wasn't here for the cooking side of it, but he didn't want to miss out on all the fun when Flynn got to taste it, so now Harry wants to taste it, don't you, Harry? You want to try it? Yeah.